Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the top dogs. When I say top dogs, I'm talking about the top dogs when it comes to this two-wheel thing. We talking about the Harley boys. That's right, the Harley-Davidson boys are in the building, and they are very, very, very disgusted in the street bike, aka crotch Rockians, acting like they running things when it comes to this police chase. They say we sick and we tired of you young punks. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Harley boys down, or will the Harley boys take that mighty wrist, give it a twist, and say, devil, get on the back of this hog, and let's go create mayhem in hell and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, Harley style. Okay, we got Officer Stephen Roberts. Looking like he about to retire. Hold on, my boy. Looking like it's time for you to hang up the shield. I ain't saying you need to retire, but you're looking like you're ready to just say, I'm good. I'm ready to go home and enjoy my golden years. And ain't nothing wrong with that, my baby. Ain't nothing wrong with that, my boy. I said my baby, pause, diabolical. Look at him, though. You can't tell me he don't look like he close to hanging it up. He look like he ain't got no more fight in him, man. He ain't got no more freeze left in him. Hold on, what's going on now? What, you gonna pull an SUV over? Oh, there go that young punk. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Hold on now. Is that a Harley-Davidson? What kind of Harley is that? That thing look expensive. What kind of Harley is that?
Black motorcycle.
Oh, that's a Pookie on there. Slow down, punk, before I take you off that bike. Oh, he out of here. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, wrist twists from hell. Here come my mighty, mighty wrist devil. I hope you're ready. Is that a Harley-Davidson? What kind of Harley is that, man? That thing is clean. Never saw one like that. The $100,000 bike? Oh, he shot. Oh, he almost hit him right there. They're doing 100 miles an hour. You gonna run him over? Is that the Bridge of Freedom I see? Oh, that's the Bridge of Freedom, y'all. He trying to block him so he don't get to the bridge. Diabolical. Eat my dust, copper. Oh, he getting little on the Harley. Hasta la vista, baby. T1000. Or was it T800? Terminator was T800, right? He going to the Bridge of Freedom. It ain't looking good. It ain't looking good for you, Officer Roberts. He about to disappear on you like Harry Potter. Protector Patrona. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. He made it to the Bridge of Freedom. Shout out to the Harley boys. It's about time y'all got away. It's about time the Harley boys did something fantastical. Listen, soon as I saw Harley, when y'all sent me the video, I said, he probably ain't gonna get away. I guess I was wrong. And I ain't never even seen a Harley like this before. What kind of Harley is this? I ain't never even seen the bags on like this. I used to seeing Harleys, but I never saw one like this. Is this the new one, like a 2026 or something? I mean, I'm not really familiar with gliders and road gliders and cruisers like that, so I wouldn't know if that was a newer bike or older bike, but I never saw one like this. What kind of Harley is this, y'all? Meet me in the comments, man. Let me know what kind of Harley this is. This thing look expensive. This is like about a $50,000 bike. Yeah, we had a Pookie on there. What kind of Harley is this? Man, the thing look fire. Y'all got let me know in the comments what kind of Harley this, because I ain't never seen one like this, man. This one decent. Super decent, but check him out, man. Look at him. I'm going for the Bridge of Freedom. I can see freedom. Master, I don't want to be a slave no more. Kunta, run, Kunta Kinte, run. They're going to take your foot if they catch you. Y'all know nothing about the Roots, man. You young punks got to go watch Roots, and you'll understand some of the jokes I be saying. Kunta Kinte got his foot cut off for running to his freedom, man. They took my boy foot because he didn't want to be a slave no more. Look at this boy. He represented for Kunta Kinte, man. He did it for Kunta Kinte. Shout out to Kunta Kinte, man. You might not have got to be free, but this brother right here, he made it to freedom. He made it over the state line. He made it to the north. He don't got to pick cotton no more. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I said like it, comment, and subscribe, and turn those notifications on if you have not turned those notifications on, because you know your boy T-Light is dropping 2 to 3 videos a day. I love my werewolf pack. I gotta keep them entertained. But with that being said, can y'all please get in the comments and let me know what kind of Harley-Davidson that was, because I have never in my life seen one like that. That one looked actually cool. Now, I wouldn't get one. I would not get one, but that one right there did look good. It did look good. It did look like it was worth a little bit of money on. But with that being said, I got to slide on up out of here, so I got to leave you with some positivity. Let me give you a dose of reality. You are on your own. You got to figure it out by yourself. You got to get out there and get it by yourself. But T-Light, I thought you said that people are good people. It is good people, but ain't nobody got time to be worried about what you doing. You got to worry about what you doing. It's a lonely world out there. Either you going to tap out or you going to make it happen. But I know for sure, and I know 2 things for certain. You are alone. So you got to get it by yourself. Stop worrying about people supporting you. Don't worry about that. Worry about what you're doing. The support will come if it's supposed to come. Stop worrying about people being there for you, because 9 times out of 10, they not going to be there for you. Stop just depending on your job. Make some money outside of your job. Why give your job 8 to 10 hours a day and not give yourself none? Get on your grind. This world is against you. In case you didn't know, it's not for you. It will chew you up and spit you out if you take it for weakness. Respect the world and good things that happen. Going to the world meek and weak, thinking everything gonna work out for you just because of you you in for a rude awakening. The Creator said he will give you everything you want, but you forgot to listen to the last part. You gotta work for it. If you ain't gonna work for it, what you crying about? If you ain't gonna get out there and get it, why you crying? You don't deserve it. I got to tell you this because some of y'all are delusional. You think everything is supposed to be given to you, and that ain't how the game go, punk. You got to get out there and earn everything you get. Earn your keep. Stop being delusional. I just told you, so there's no more excuses. Get out there and get it. And with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But we do condone you making it happen if you do run. I don't want to see you run, but if you got to run, that means you got to run. And if you are going to run, get yourself a nice Harley-Davidson.